Alright guys, let's run. These all the champions, right? We're doing a lot of crazy experiment, running all kinds of speakers, mid-range, mid-bass, subwoofers, everything is around here. So thank you very much guys who's commenting. I love you guys a lot. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. This month, maybe next month, we're gonna try it as soon as we're gonna do a lot of interesting stuff on this channel. If you're new to my channel guys, definitely subscribe it and watch my other videos. A lot of interesting stuff is going on here. So today we're gonna run this Pioneer and the Orion. This is two legends. Orion so far is my favorite speaker now. Just follow it by this BNC speaker, right? BNC diagonal magnets. And I have a bunch of, you know, the Sundown audio here, and I have a DS18, the Challenger, very nice, very good sounding speaker for the price. And I have another DS18, $150. I think it's the exactly same, the little brother than this, but it's a built-in tweeter. But so I was enjoying to making the other video, whereas the Orion is playing with the Sundown audio. And it's like destroying all that stuff. You're gonna see on this video, if you're new to my channel, you're gonna enjoy now how the Orion is gonna produce like a subwoofer bass, produce like a tweeter clarity, and produce like the best mid-range mid-bass speaker. The Pioneer Pro series, it was destroying all these other 6.5 speakers, but the sound performance. But I get another new speakers, and these Pioneers got destroyed with the little brother of the Orion. But again, it was a start to smelling all that stuff. Interesting stuff. Just click my next other video, and you're gonna see it's everything. Let's start playing some music. Do not skip. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna show you like interesting stuff. So we're gonna run these speakers right now on flat. So you can, I know you guys like, you know, when the speakers like jumping like crazy, like subwoofer. Alright, so we're gonna give flat, and we're gonna tune that speaker for the mid-range, a lot higher frequency response, and we're gonna blast like a maximum power.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
crazy, right? As I say, like I was laughing all the previous video how this mid-range speaker, it gives a lot more bass than most subwoofers, right? Yeah, all my tables is shaking, and you guys asking the why mic is you put the ugly this foam, because this magnet is so big it couldn't fit. I couldn't fit to the box. That's why I cut these, the playground, the foam to keep it in the place. We test the vocals, and we're gonna tune the speakers to the right frequency response, and we're gonna run loud.
Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. Close through the night, I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky.
Let's give him some juice, right? No, this is a bass part. Let's hear that.
To a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
You never do that. You never do it with your speaker, right? Don't give that much bass on mid-range speakers, right? Do you know how heavy this speaker is? Like, it has a huge magnet and everything jumps like together. Yeah, this is crazy speaker. All in one, a subwoofer, mid-range, and the tweeters. Now we're gonna tune proper outputs, right? We're gonna cut the bass, and a lot cleaner and a lot nicer sound. There's never I enjoyed that much to making the videos and listening to speakers like this guy. Now you're gonna hear how clean this speaker will play on the right condition. Pioneer.
Stopping us, fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I've been moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Yeah, I know you are. Flying up in a bar, wish on a star. Time to show them who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We are eating because we want, shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, they might just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. Yeah, shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot.
That's crazy, guys. Like loud, clean, crystal clean, and I'm gonna add a little bit bass because this guy can handle the bass too. So it's gonna be more, but you shouldn't do that. You should tune the proper frequency response on this speaker. The one. We'll see how's the Arnold or Sylvester gonna. I'm gonna order them soon, so we'll see how they gonna perform next to this guy. But as I said like before, I want exactly the same speaker on neodymium magnets. The magnets is too big, but I'm okay with this. With the magnets, the clarity, the mid-range, and the bass outputs on this speaker, it's amazing. We're gonna play loud, but you're not gonna hear it. It's like my microphone is gonna cut. Oh shit, it's gonna get loud.
I said I'm moving too far. Shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants.
Oh shit. Pioneer is smelling. Wait, yeah, the Pioneer cone is get hot. It started smelling. So don't do that, guys. Like never do it. Let's wait. Let's be the Ryan. The Ryan is monster. That's it. Yo. Hold on. I get sweat because it's, you know, when it's loud, it's loud. Oof, my arm is all wet. Oh my god. So, yeah, you guys watching on your little phone, little tiny microscopic speaker, and you see what the fuck this guy is doing here, right? But it's, I'm telling you, this is my favorite speaker. For $120 per pair, $110, whatever, how much you find, this is the best. If Ryan, you guys is watching this this video, definitely try to, I don't know, maybe you guys have it, but I couldn't find it, the Nadio Magnet version of this speaker. Tune exactly the same frequency response, so you can get any. If you want the subwoofer, here's a speaker. If you want the amazing mid-range speaker, here you have a speaker. You have a tweeter, here's you have a tweeter. Built-in tweeter. You see the sound quality outputs, like clear, crisp, and if even I'm like throwing like tons of power, it doesn't get destroyed like all other speakers. Some speakers start to, you know, to playing only the middle, and it's gonna be like, it's harsh sound. But this one's a clear sound. That's why all my videos is long, because I'm enjoying to listen to the sound on this speaker. If you're watching and you just click the subscribe button, guys. I'm trying to, you know, I'm trying to earn some subscribers. It's easy for you, just clicking, you know, the red button. Only thing I ask. So my favorite speaker so far, Pioneer got destroyed. Well, Rockford Fosgate, all, you know, all the BS speakers, not even come close. If you want something nice sound quality, get the little brother. But I run the little brother little on the higher outputs on my different videos, and it starts smelling. I don't know why. The Pioneer, now the Pioneers get smelled. So how you feel that before you burn the speaker, it's that cone is gonna get hot, and after then it's gonna burn. So you shouldn't do that. Thank you very much for tuning, guys. Comment below what's all the speakers you guys want, except Def Sound or whatever, Def Bound or whatever speaker you're asking, Sylvester, Jean-Claude Van Damme. I'm gonna get those speakers, and we will run against Ryan. Ryan's the champion right for now. In $120 per pair, it's destroyed any speaker I had, like on my previous videos. From 24 speakers, mid-range speakers, one speaker. You don't pay for advertising, you pay for just clear product. This is it. And again, I'm gonna tell you, if you think I'm advertising this speaker right now, I don't have affiliate programs, so I'm not getting any pennies to advertise this speaker. Other speakers, if you guys clicking on my description, I'm getting some pennies. But if you buy from the links, right, affiliate programs. But on this guy, I don't have affiliate program. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out.